Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our June Allure box, so let's get into it and check it out. Allure Beauty Box is a monthly beauty box. It is $23. Nope, it just went up to $25. I was gonna say we've gotten it since the beginning of the channel. I remember $15. It might have even been $12 when I started. Let me know when you guys started getting Allure back in the day, how much it was. It's been at least 5 years, I'd say, since I started getting it. And it has definitely gone up. But lately, I feel like they've really been stepping up what they put in the boxes too. It is $25 now, but they say we're gonna have $100 worth of merchandise and at least 3 of the 6 products will be full-sized. The only thing about Allure Beauty Box, and I'm sure most people love this, is it's a lot of skincare. And you guys know, I have such super sensitive skin that finding skincare that works for me can be a little tricky. That's what the inside looks like. That is our paperwork for June. I am trying today, if you guys watch me unbox my BoxyCharm, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lippy that came in it that I said I thought would be perfect for taping. And I'm gonna stick with this. I think it's probably a really good color. You guys will have to let me know what you think. But I just put it on up here with no liner. And I suspect by the end of this video, it's gonna be all over my face. So we'll do our best. If it's on my teeth, is it on my teeth? Not yet. But I do like the color. I think it's a nice color. Okay. Back to the Allure box. Summer lovin'. As refreshing as a cool pitcher of lemonade after a long swim, the beauty products in your June Allure box are revitalizing summer treats. The warm weather routine inside and out is all about delivering glassy skin and hair that's so frizz-free. I'll tell you what, I have dry skin and in the summer, I can almost make my own glassy skin. Let's reach right in. Oh, I bet this is our hero product. We're gonna start right off, didn't even save it for the end, with our hero product. It is Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. This is the part of the skincare I was talking about. I will set this aside to pass along. I can't use niacinamide, I think. It's what I have discovered most recently is one of the things that I think irritates my skin. I will take it out so you guys can see it because they always have the cutest packaging. You probably can't tell, but in person, it's almost got like a iridescent sheen to it. It's really pretty. This would be really pretty sitting on your vanity. It says Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. Why, you'll love it. Niacinamide is a powerhouse that can boost radiance, decrease redness, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and pigmentation. In this lightweight, cooling pink formula, its gel-like texture is perfect for summer. The superstar ingredient makes your skin super bright. This multitasking serum is also fortified with antioxidant watermelon extract and moringa seed oil and hydrating hyaluronic acid. We'll set that right back in the box and set it aside. Okay, what is next? We have Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. It sounds very interesting. My experiences with Saturday Skin in the past have gone both ways, but as a rule, it's also a little aggressive for my skin. Let's see what the paperwork says. Oh, you know what I didn't tell you? How'd I skip that part? Retail price for this 40 ml full-sized is $35. I called that one the hero product, but the retail price for this, which is full-sized, 45 ml, is $45. So this actually is $10 more than the first one. So this is technically the hero product. Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. This is one decadent moisturizer. As the whipped texture sinks into skin, it feels deeply moisturizing and leaves complexion velvety soft with a natural looking glow. There's no obvious residue, so it layers seamlessly under sunscreen and makeup. The scent is faint when you first apply it, fresh and pleasant, like a citrus candy. That sounds fantastic. And it fades after it dries down. Let's see what the ingredients are. The 5th ingredient is niacinamide. So we are really going after the niacinamide in this one. Ooh, then denatured alcohol. Lemon peel, oh, grapefruit peel oil. So it's got grapefruit in it. I can't use it anyway because of my allergy, so I will set this one aside. But since the box isn't sealed, we will show you. It's about half full. That is what it looks like. I'm sure it is by weight, not by volume. I've mentioned in the past, I love these thin bottles. There's something about them that I like better than the regular round tubes. I know, that's a weird thing to like, right? Okay, we are not exactly batting 1,000, but it's just because of my super sensitive skin. This is the Aveda Nutriplenish Leave-In Conditioner. That is what that looks like. This is definitely a deluxe sample is what they like to call it. It's just a sample size. Just in time for the season's humidity-induced frizz. This leave-in conditioner smooths flyaways without dragging down your roots or flattening your hair's natural texture. It couldn't be easier to apply. A quick mist is all you need, and it makes your hair shiny and hydrated on the spot. And it says you can mist it onto wet or dry hair for a quick shot of shine. I will absolutely take this downstairs. I pretty much have a hair routine down now because I'm trying different products that I want to see if they're really helping my hair, which, spoiler alert, I think they really are. But a little bit of a leave-in conditioner on a super humid day that I can just put under here, I don't mind that at all. I have to use it wet though. As a rule, I can't use anything like this on my dry hair. My hair is so flat. I mean, it's just flat hair. I hadn't planned on taping today, so I didn't put any volumizer in it. So this is basically just freshly washed, nothing done to it. I blow dried it a little bit and here we are. Oh, it tells us what the retail on this is. It says it would be $13 for 30 ml and this is 30 ml. So this is a $13 sample per them. All right, next out we have another sample. It is the Natura Ecos Tucum Body Lotion. It replenishes the skin. So that is another deluxe sample. This would be $27 if it were 400 ml. I am confident in saying this is not 400 ml. It is also 30. Oh boy. Just a little, so it's just right around $2. This is an Allure Best of Beauty. The first thing you'll notice is that the warm, sexy scent transports you to the beach. I'm trying that. Then you'll quickly realize how soft and smooth this body lotion leaves legs and arms, making it perfect for summer. Wow, that is a lot of little ingredients. Time will pass quickly for you, but I'm gonna read the ingredients. The words are very small and I've given up hope, so we're gonna cross our fingers and hope for the best. Do any of you guys have weird allergies? Like, I mean, grapefruit and licorice? Am I the only one out here on an island? Or do you guys have some odd allergies? Also, I'm allergic to shrimp and green peppers, but that doesn't seem to come up. Although the green peppers has come up once. That is what it looks like. It's creamy, but it's also lotiony. It's not like a thick body butter. Oh, that is very nice. Warm. Did they say citrusy or tropical? I don't get that. They said it will transport you to the beach. I don't get beach out of it. It is a very, very nice scent. I don't get beach. One more sample and then one more full size. We have the April Skin Keratin One Step Makeup Remover. That is what that looks like. Let's take it out. I mean, that is kind of pretty. I wonder if the big jar looks just like it because I love the ombre look of that jar. It would be pretty just, you know, sitting on your counter. Not that I buy makeup or skincare based on how pretty it is. This says, it looks like a potted lip balm and feels every bit as hydrating, but it works a bit of magic by making your longest wearing eyeliner, brightest blush, and creamiest lipstick disappear. Poof. If it were full-sized, it would be 90 ml and $28. This is 10 ml, so about a ninth, so about $3. $3.10 maybe. I'm gonna leave this sealed because the ingredients appear to all be in Korean. This must be a Korean beauty product, so I'm going to read more about it before I use it, but it appears to be a nice yellow balm. And last out of our box, we have a Tea Tree. Is it by Tea Tree? It looks like it's also by Tea Tree. Special Detox Kombucha Rinse. Oh, I hope it is safe for color treated hair because that sounds very interesting. The paperwork says, oh, it's Paul Mitchell. Paul Mitchell, Tea Tree Special Detox Kombucha Rinse. I'm gonna show you guys this again. Am I missing it? I don't think it says Paul Mitchell anywhere on there. Right? Kind of weird, right? Doesn't matter, just saying. The pointed nozzle makes it easy to apply this clarifying treatment right onto your scalp, where it feels delightfully tingly and rinses clean. It whisks away days worth of hairspray, pomade, dry shampoo, and beach trips, while adding a nice shine to the hair, a perk you don't get with a lot of clarifying rinses. This is the full-sized 6.8 ounces, and it is $28.50. It did not address whether it was color safe. Let's read it on here. Ooh, I was gonna see what it smelled like. Good it was sealed because this was not tight. Ooh, that could have been a real wet mess. Oh, tea tree. Woo! Woo, tea tree. I mean, tea tree is really good for your hair. If you have any kind of like dandruff or anything like that with your hair, tea tree is fantastic with you. I will probably still use it. I will follow it with something because I don't think I would want to leave my head smelling like this. I mean, that is just, it is tea tree. The back of this says on the very top line, also great for color treated hair. Give your hair and scalp a total reset. This clarifying rinse exfoliates and removes buildup with a probiotic rich blend of kombucha and apple cider vinegar. So it's an apple cider vinegar rinse with tea tree in it. I will absolutely be trying this just because I don't think it can ever be bad to once a week or once every couple weeks. Just clarify the whole thing. That was our total Allure box for June 2023. We have this full-sized Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Detox Rinse, the Aveda, so 2 hair products, the Aveda leave-in conditioner, the Natura Ecos body moisturizer, the April Skin little cleanser, Glow Recipe watermelon niacinamide, and the Saturday Skin niacinamide moisturizer. So lots of good skincare in here. Scooch over, guys. If you don't have any issues, lots of good skincare in there. But that is what was in the box. If I like the apple cider vinegar rinse, it pays for my whole box, even if I can't use all of the skincare. I think Allure has definitely stepped it up. I think you absolutely get your money's worth, especially, like I said, if you can use everything. I mean, I stopped and did the math on it, and the value of the box, I had forgotten already. The value of the box is $126.50. That's approximately, because you know, with these little fellows, I'm just kind of rounding, but $126 for a $25 box. They're playing in the big leagues now, I think. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I hope I will see you again soon, and have a great evening. Bye, guys.